Hi friends, I'm Shorav. Welcome to Technical Skills Linux. So in this lab, I'm show you how to make a swap file on a Linux machine or any cloud Linux machine. Okay, so let's start. So here you can see that is my Google Cloud Platforms dashboard, and I have so already created Linux server, and but now I'm just uh, get a console in my Linux server. So here I am just make a swap file in this my server. Okay. Before we are create or make the swap file, so you need to know what is swap memory in Linux, right? So swap memory or swap space in Linux is used when the amount of physical memory or RAM is full. So basically, when the RAM, your when server or your physical systems, physical RAM is full, that time the server or system use that your swap memory or swap space. Swap memory is kind of virtual memory that we know Windows, right? So if the systems need more memory or for the resource or your applications run, so the RAM is full, so inactive pages memory are moved to swap space. Okay, so that's all. So now we start. Mm, so here you can see that is my server. Okay, uh, so now I am just check the swap memory in this Google Cloud. So here that is memory is RAM is 4 GB, you can see, but swap is 0, right? So now I am just make a swap file or make a swap partition or 1 GB in this server, right? So it's very help to when my application run more resource or more RAM, that time is take the use that virtual memory. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I just go the root directory. Okay. So first step, I'm just check once again. Yeah, 4 GB RAM and 0 byte my swap partition. So, okay. So first step is just touch a swap file. Swap file. Okay. Just create a swap file. So that's ls minus l. So you can see that swap file is created. So now I'm change the swap file permission for 600 swap file. Once again, I'm check the permissions. Yes, read right. So now next step is that so here I am use the command dd. Okay. So for the create or make a swap file. Okay. So let dd if if my file if is 0 of the here my swap file name swap file, yes, and it's 1 GB, right? 1 GB. So 1 GB K, that means 1 GB. Okay, and count space 1024. Uh, okay, that's all. So that is my comment. So now I'm just hit enter. So yes, it's take some time. Yes, it created. You can see that is created 1 GB. Okay, copy and file. So now next step is that just for use this command swap file, swap files, swap on, swap on, swap file, because swap on this command and I have the create the file swap file, right? So hit enter. Yes, so it's read ahead. So you can see is read swap header failed, but because I have no make any swap file. Okay, so now first of all you just run that. mk swap. This command is fast run. Okay, swap file. mk swap file. Yes, you can see here that is setting of swap space version 1 size 1 GB and the no levels UUID. That's all. Okay. So okay. Once again you just run. Yes, once again I'm run just swap file. So now I'm just empty for empty that fstab for permanent mount in that my system. Okay, yes. Here I'm just type. So type that is root. Okay. Root swap file. Root swap file. Uh, mm, mm, swap file. Swap file space swap. Again swap. And next is default. Next 0 0. Okay. Now once again save W for save, Q for exit. So now I'm just check my stuff. What exactly written. Okay, fine. That's fine. Now I'm once. Now I'm just check the speed minus m. You can see, yeah, that is 1 GB. My swap partition is created. So now I'm just swap on comment once again. So swap on minus a. Yes, it's permanently swap partition mountain in my system. Okay, when I restart the system, so then also my swap file or swap memories stay. Okay, so you can say take that swap on minus s, the file name, size 1 GB, use that priority 2. Okay, so and once again you check that free minus 8. So here you can see that my RAM is 4 GB, but swap memory is 1 GB. Okay, that I am recently created. Okay, so that's all in this video. Okay, so if my video is any help to you, so then please like and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.